I'm here in New York City thanks to Warner Brothers flying me out to celebrate the new Birds of Prey film. I'm so excited to be going to a fan event in just a little bit, but first, I need to get ready. Okay, I'm all ready to go, except I feel like there's something missing. I know. Ta-da! Time to get some Harley bangs. Let's do this. Oh my God. And now I'm ready. Now that I have my bangs, I am ready to go to this fan event. I am really excited. I don't know what to expect, but I can't wait. So come on, come on. I'm here in Times Square at the Birds of Prey photo activation, and I just found the most amazing Harley. Oh my God. And she's actually gonna answer some questions for me, so let's go ask her something.
Oh, hi guys, I'm Paradox. I'm dressed as Harley from Arkham Knight and everything.
Guys, isn't Paradox look amazing? So I have a question for you, Paradox.
Cool, ask away.
What is your favorite thing about Harley Quinn?
Maybe because she's relatable, she's the ultimate woman who eventually just stands up against all the men.
Oh my God, I love that. Thank you, Paradox.
Have a good day, y'all.
I'm here in Times Square, thanks to Warner Brothers flying me here to celebrate the home release for Birds of Prey. And there's so many of us here. We're just waiting for the cast to arrive and then to watch Birds of Prey. I'm so excited. So I'm running to the theater to get there in time. Almost got run over by a bicycle. Totally my fault. So I barely made it, and it is jammed. Come on, come on, come on. Holy moly, I just made it. I think the movie starts in like 1 minute. I'm so excited to be watching Birds of Prey any minute. Oh, I got some popcorn. I'm set. Birds of Prey was amazing! Oh my God, the fight scenes, the characters, the colors, the comedy. Did I mention the fight scenes? This movie is incredible, and it is definitely one that I recommend getting for your own self so you can enjoy it again and again and again. Last breath, like the smoke from my lips.